Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to replace the pagination numbers in the Divi Gallery module with icons. This small but impactful customization can enhance your gallery's visual appeal, create a modern look, and improve navigation for your visitors. Whether you're aiming for a sleeker design or an accessible, user-friendly interface, this guide will walk you through the steps to achieve it. Let's get started. To replace the default pagination numbers with custom icons in the Divi Gallery module, you can use either the Divi Gallery Booster plugin or the Divi Booster plugin, which includes the features of Divi Gallery Booster. These plugins make it simple to transform your gallery's navigation without needing any custom coding. By using the pagination number display setting provided by these tools, you can switch from numbers to a visually appealing icon-based navigation system. This not only modernizes the look of your gallery, but also creates a more intuitive experience for your visitors. For details and links to these plugins, refer to the accompanying post. To add images to your gallery in the Divi Builder, first open the Gallery module. Once it's open, click the Add Gallery Images button. This will bring up the WordPress media library. From here, you can select the images you'd like to include in your gallery. Simply click on each image you want, and when you're done, click the Select button in the bottom right. Your chosen images will now be inserted into the gallery. In the Gallery module settings, look for the right sidebar. Here, you'll find the Elements section. Expand this section to reveal the configuration options you'll need to customize your gallery. In the Elements section of the Gallery module settings, look for the option labeled Pagination Number Display. This is a drop-down menu. Simply change the setting from Numbers to Icon. By doing this, you're telling Divi to replace the default pagination numbers with an icon for your gallery navigation. After switching to the icon display for pagination, you'll notice a new setting appears labeled Pagination Number Icon. Click on the icon picker here. From the available options, choose a simple dot or circle icon. These are commonly used for pagination and provide a clear, intuitive way for users to navigate through your gallery. Once you've finished setting up your gallery pagination, don't forget to publish your changes so they're live on your site. To do this, simply click the Publish button located at the top right of the page editor. This ensures that all your updates are visible to your visitors. Now that you've published your changes, it's time to confirm everything is working as expected. Visit your gallery page and scroll down to where the pagination appears below the images. You should see the new dot icons in place of the numbers. This gives your gallery a sleek, modern appearance and ensures an improved navigation experience for your visitors. In conclusion, switching the pagination in your Divi Gallery module to dot icons is a simple yet effective way to modernize your gallery's appearance. This small change not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also improves usability for your visitors. With just a handful of setting adjustments, you can create a sleeker, more engaging browsing experience.